Show or hide pop-up through hyperlink. In this screen, when I click the hyperlink text, it shows me more information related to the screen. And when I close it, the pop-up closes. You can see that I've added some additional objects here, which are related to the pop-up. Let us select pop-up text box. Now let's turn off the visibility of pop-up, so that when the screen loads, this pop-up should not appear. It should appear only when we click the hyperlink text over here. And now we need to add hyperlink to the learning management text. We'll go ahead and double-click the text caption and then select the learning management text. Now let's go to the Properties Inspector. And under the Characters section, you will find this button that says Insert Hyperlink. And it allows us to link to a web page by default. We will open this drop-down. And then we will select option, Show. We'll go ahead and select the group _1 from here. And then we can click OK. This is now hyperlinked. I'll go and click on the Close button. I'll go ahead and select Use as button. And now this object has become a button. I'll go to the Actions tab. I'll open this drop-down. And select Hide. We'll select group _1. And your interaction with the group _1 is ready in minutes. You can also use it for providing additional information in your interaction modules.